Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're going to change the Xiaomi notification sound now. First, unlock the phone and open settings, locate sound and vibration immediately. Once there, tap notification sound to view system tones. Make sure Do Not Disturb is off so previews play. If you plan to use a custom file, have it in internal storage notifications folder beforehand. Once done, you'll see the list of built-in tones plus any compatible files you added. Pick one to preview and keep it selected for the next step. Now add and select a custom sound. Open File Manager and move your MP3 or M4A into internal storage/notifications. If the folder doesn't exist, create it. Xiaomi scans that location automatically. Once you've placed the file, return to Settings Sound and Vibration Notification Sound and tap Select from Files or Custom, then browse to Notifications and choose your file. You'll hear a preview. If it plays correctly, tap Apply or back out to save the selection, finish by testing the new sound. Send yourself a message or use the notification preview in Settings to confirm. If the custom tone does not appear, reboot the phone first. Often the system needs a restart to rescan the notifications folder. If that fails, clear the Sound and File Manager app cache, then ensure the audio uses a supported format and a simple file name without special characters. Once visible and playing, you're done. Notifications will now use the sound you selected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.